In my Printify dashboard, as you see here, and I'm in my wallet, you can see that my current balance is 528 USD dollar, okay? And they pay me with PayPal and Payoneer. If you have one of them, you can get your payment by these methods. And there is also, you can choose your billing currency, and also you can subscribe to Printify Premium. If you subscribe to this to Printify Premium, you will get a 20% discount on all products. So if you sell lots of products, I recommend you to subscribe to this. And here is, if you want to add some coupons, you can add coupons from here. And let me show you my products. Yeah, this is my product page. As you see, I'm selling some balls, like ping pong balls and golf balls and some puzzles. These are my products that I'm selling, and this is my store. Let me show you. This is my store. As you see, this is my YouTube channel name, and this is my store that I'm selling. And from selling these, I earned about $528. Now I would sign out from my main account to show you all the process step by step in a new account. I will create a completely new account and show you all the process. First of all, I will add the link in the description, and when you click the link in the description, you will come to this page. You will see this, and you should start for free. Okay, you should click this button, start for free. After clicking start for free, this page will be opened for you. As you see here, you can sign up with email and password, and if you can also sign up with Gmail. I will go through sign up with Gmail, and I will add my Gmail. This is a new Gmail. I would create a completely new account, okay? Then it asks me what describes you best, okay? If you're a company, a social media influencer, non-profit organization, or I have my own e-commerce store, I select this one, okay? What your main objective? Like start my first online business. That's better. And would you like help with? What do you want to help? I don't need help at the moment, okay? How do you find out about Printify? You can say like YouTube, okay? Now our new store is completely new store is created, and this is our dashboard, okay? And you can see here that we sign up with Printify, and after that create your first product. The next step is creating your first product, and it also says that it will get you a free gift. I will show you how to create your first product. When you click on that, you will come to the catalog. Here you see that this is a t-shirts part, sweatshirts, hoodies, drinkware, and there are other parts, and you can see there are different things like glass, puzzle, desk mats, like t-shirts, and these are the most popular print-on-demand products. You can select each one of them that you like and want to sell. And let me select this hand cover journal for this tutorial, okay? We are selling hand cover journal, like just think like this, and then we go to start designing. After, when we come to start designing in this page, you can see you can upload from your computer, from your device, from Dropbox or Google Drive. You can also add text. You can write text. You can use your library if you have when you can add. And you can use the graphics. Here are different graphics that you can already created that you can use in your design, okay? You can use some templates. You can use paid content, like design fee is about $1 per sale. I don't recommend these. And you can also use services like hiring a professional on Fiverr, and you can also use a Printify expert. I don't recommend this. I will show you how to create your own design, okay? You can also use, this is very new, AI image generator. You can try an example, okay? This will create an image, generate image. This will generate you an image. You can write them text prompt for the AI, and it will generate you an image. Like this is an image generated by AI, okay? But this is, it does not have a good resolution. So because of that, you can see here that this is a medium resolution. So because of this medium resolution, I will not recommend AI image. So how you create your styles, your designs, I would let me show you how you create your designs. First of all, come to Canva, notebook cover. You search for notebook cover. I think this would be a good, yeah. Then you will create your design from here. You can see there are different designs that already created. Like, what a beautiful design is this. Okay, I'm using Canva Pro, but you can also use Canva free. Just look at this. You can also change everything. Like, you can add your own text if you want. Uh, You can also add some elements. You can create, like, we don't need this, okay? We will build our own design. Let me show you how to create your own design, like what we want to sell, okay? Like, we want to sell something. We should come here, like, we want to sell a notebook that have a cover of, like, coffee, okay? You see how beautiful this is. Yes, I select this one. Like, you can also search here for coffee, you can add coffee. And this is a very great design. And then we will come here and we download our design. After downloading this design, and we should create one more design for the other side of it. So I recommend you to design two pictures. One more just like this, but without these designs. Okay, let me show you how to create this design. Like, come here and search for coffee. This would be something better. You can write something like if you had a heading like coffee lover, okay? Can change. There are hundreds of different texts in Canva, just like this. Okay, our design is complete. Let's download this one. I downloaded that and now I want to download this one. And after downloading our designs, we will come back to our to this page of designing. Then we come to upload and our device, and here is our designs. Okay, I will upload my designs. You can see that my design is very good, and you can also see that it's high resolution. Why it's high resolution? Because yes, my design is okay. Now I can upload the other side design. Let me upload this one. It's uploading, and you can see that this one is also uploaded. Yes, very beautiful. Yes, our design is completed. Now we can also preview. You can see a preview of our design. We check it, then save our product. Yes, look at this, how beautiful it is. This is front, and we can see the back of it. Yes, back is also looking good. Wow, I think the design is very good. So, yes, this is the front and this is the back, okay? Look how beautiful this design is. And then save our design. And after saving our design, we will come to this page. Here is the listing details, okay? All details is written for you already by Printify. You can change some of these details, but I don't recommend changing these details. Okay? Just come here, and after coming here, you can change select one of these. You can select this one and edit the price. If you want to edit the price, then edit it. If you don't want, there is already 14% margin. This is something that I think this is a very fair margin, okay? So don't change it. It's okay if you want to give people free shipping, that's also okay. If you don't want, they will add a shipping cost and this is your profit. You can change your profit from here. You can change your profit margin from here by percentage. Everything is changeable and you can change them. Then here we can't publish this. Why? Because we don't have a store yet. Okay. Now save as a draft. Then okay, we will go and to our dashboard and I will show you. Yes, this is completed now. Okay, the third step is connecting to your store. So this part is uh, for you. Okay, you can if you have a store, you can connect to your store. Like if it's easy, Shopify, TikTok US is a new way of doing it. Walmart, and if eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, every one of them. If you have a store already connected to that store, and if you don't have a store, I will recommend you to use Printify Pop-Up, okay? Printify Pop-Up Store. It's completely free, and now I will show you how to create your Printify Pop-Up Store. This is there. You should write your name, store name. Like I would write coffee lover, okay? Maybe coffee lover is a good name for us. Yes, coffee lover. Coffee lover. That your store URL would be like this, okay? coffeelover.printify.me. You can also buy a domain for this, but this is also good. You can then you select your country, which country is you're from. You should select it. Then next. Yes, here you choose your theme. You can see there are different themes and you can choose one of those themes for your store. Okay guys, now our pop-up store is created and we are in our dashboard. Let's go back to, and you can see here that you can do a sample, like let me do it, a sample order. If you want, you can order a sample for yourself and check everything, that shipping time and the quality of the order. Then you will go to shipping. Here you will add your address, everything. Then you will calculate the shipping and everything and then submit your order. Okay, this is how you create your order. Now we are in our products. Here is our product, and we can see that the status of our product is unpublished. We still don't publish this product to our store. Okay, now let's publish our product to our store. You can see that this is our product, how it looks like. We select which one of them should be the image, the front image. Okay, display, and here is the product description. Everything is okay. Now I will select these, and you can change the profit, you can change the profit margin. Everything is now after that we will click the publish button. After clicking publish button, you can see that here is that it is publishing. The status is publishing. Now whenever it's, yes, you can now see that it's published. It means that when we check our store, we can see that there is our first product in our store, and this is our store. And I will show you, I will come back to our dashboard. Let's go to store settings. Now I will show you about store settings. This is the name of store. You can change the name of store. Like our store name is Coffee Lover. You can change it later. You can add a logo. Let me add something like this should be our logo. Okay, you can add the logo. You can add all of your social media here. Let's like YouTube. Okay, here should be the link of your YouTube, and here you can customize your store. Like you can see there are different themes. Like let's choose this theme. And payouts. Here you should add your tax residency. Okay, from which country you are, you should accept there are different countries, and you should select your own country and then your residence address if you're from USA or not. Now it's beautiful. You can add more products from the catalog. Your products. Here is the orders. When you got orders, all of the orders will be here. everything is, then you can create order. From here you can create sample, manual order. When you get an order, you should manually add everything. Like, you should select one of your what product that you get ordered. You should select it and then add the shipping address of the customer. Then here's your wallet. You should add your payment details. You can see you can get your payments by PayPal and Payoneer, and you can add your credit or debit card. You can change the billing currency to whatever currency you want. Like, it's USD right now, you can change it to euros, okay? And you can subscribe to Printify Premium. You can add coupons to your store and different things. Like, here is the taxes. If you're from EU, Europe, Norway, or UK, you should have a VAT number or VAT ID. If you're from USA, you should submit a tax certificate. And also, if you're from Canada, you should submit a tax exemption certificate. Then here is the rewards. Printify may give you some rewards. So that's all for today's video. If you have any question or suggestion, ask me in the comment section. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.